Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. I hope you all are well. Today's video is an interesting video. I hope you will watch the video at the end. In today's video, I will show you how you can use any of your songs as ringtone on your iPhone. So let's start the video. We don't need any computer or other device to use any song as ringtone except on app. To set the ringtone, we need an app called GarageBand. First, you should go to the App Store and search for GarageBand. Install this app. This app will help you to set up any song as your ringtone. Now to open the app, click Open. Now swipe right until you get Audio Recorder. This tab will help you to set up ringtones. Now click this icon and you will get this window. Now tap here. You will get this pop-up. Now open Files tab. Now click Browse. You can see the song file and tap on the song file. We can see that the song is added to our File tab. Now drop the file here. Now let's try playing the song. Now click here and click on My Songs. It will take you to the My Songs section, and here you can see the song file. To make this song as your ringtone, long press on the file and click Share. Here you can see that we have three options. To set up the song as ringtone, choose this option. Here we give the name of our ringtone. I'm going to name it as My Ringtone. Now click Export. After exporting, you will get a pop-up like this. Here, choose Use Sound As. You will get options like this. To set up as ringtone, choose Standard Ringtone. Now we have successfully set up this song. So to verify that, let's go to the settings and click Sound and Haptics. Click Ringtone. Here you can see we have successfully set up the ringtone. So this is how you set up any song as your ringtone on your iPhone. This was today's video. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.